can see, my AC unit is set to 78 degrees and the actual temperature is high. Yeah, it's so high it's not even registering right now. It's probably about 90 degrees in here, judging by how it feels. I'm gonna go outside and check the outdoor unit. The inside unit is currently running and it's calling for cool. So we'll check the outdoor unit, see if the outdoor unit is running. Alright, and as you can see, one of my two outdoor units is not working. Check the power. Power to the unit is turned on. I'm going to go ahead and pull the fuse. Set that on top while I'm working on the unit. I'm going to open up this back corner panel of the outdoor unit. And I'm going to check the capacitor. Okay, this inside here is the capacitor, and if you take a look, the top of the capacitor is bowed out a little bit. I'll show you in comparison to a brand new capacitor as soon as I get it. But we're going to go ahead and remove the screw and pull this out. Okay. Set the camera down. Okay, so when ordering a capacitor, what we're going to look for is a 530, 350 to 370 volt, 50 to 60 ohms. Now we have our new capacitor here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, even though it's a different size, that's okay. What we're looking at is at 35. A 440 volt is okay. Larger is always better. In this case, you don't want smaller. So if you have a 440 volt, you don't want to put a 350 or 370 volt in there. And a 50 to 60 ohms. As you can see, if we look at the top of these, you notice that the old capacitor is bubbled out. The new capacitor is concave. So that's what a good capacitor should look like. That's the quick and easy way to tell if your capacitor is bad, even if you don't have a electrical meter, fluke meter of any sort to be able to test it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in, and the unit should fire right up. Camera up. Before I put all this back into place, I'm going to go ahead and put the fuse back in. We want the on side up There we go. Looks like we got it, folks. Simple fix. Okay, and now just following up with earlier, as you can see, thermostat is set to 78. It's currently 82 degrees. The temperature's come down significantly up here. It's quite a bit cooler. So it looks like our fix did the job. So basically, we were able to look up our part on Amazon based on the information on the capacitor itself. We ordered the part for $15.50. I actually ordered a few, so I have backups because all three of my outdoor units use the same capacitor. And now I'll be set in the future if one capacitor goes again. Additionally, that would have cost me at least $125 to have an HVAC tech to come out to analyze the unit and to put in a capacitor. So I saved myself quite a bit of money, and I have some backup capacitors for the future. I hope this helps y'all save some money in the future with your home repair issues. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.